Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you YouTrip how to top up your YouTrip card. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to top up your YouTrip card, the first step that you need to do is open the YouTrip app on your phone. So simply head over and open up your YouTrip application, then simply log into your account. Then once logged into your account, on the home screen, you'll find an option that says top up on the top left corner of your screen or on the top left. Simply select that, and then once you select that, you need to enter the amount you want to add to your wallet. Then simply pick up top up method. You'll see the options below and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the top up. Then once done, your balance will appear in your YouTrip wallet and is ready to use with your YouTrip card. So top up methods are: you can use Pay Now QR code by simply choosing Pay Now as the method. Enter the amount, generate a QR code, then open your banking app, scan the QR and then confirm the payment. Instant transfer will be done from your bank account and minimum top up often as low as $1 with Pay Now. Second is a linked debit or credit card. Pick card as the top up method and enter your card details, then confirm and slide to complete. Usually no fees are applied for debit and 1.5 fee may apply on Visa cards. Apple Pay can also be used if set up. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply. That's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.